यातली वर्कमॅनशिप असेल, पॅसेंजर सुविधांचा याच्यामध्ये केलेला विचार असेल, भविष्यातल्या मल्टी मॉडेल कनेक्टिव्हिटीच्या संदर्भात करावयाच्या उपाययोजना असतील, अशा सर्व गोष्टी या ठिकाणी अत्यंत चांगल्या पद्धतीने प्लॅन करण्यात आले आहेत.
Currently, about 33 kilometers of metro corridors are operational in Pune, where a 23-kilometer project under a PPP model is nearing completion, where work on around 55 kilometers of additional metro lines is already underway. Another 80 kilometers of corridors has been proposed for expansion. Together, these projects aim to create a metro network of nearly 200 kilometers. Maharashtra's agricultural sector and its future roadmap were in focus at the 39th convocation ceremony of Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapeeth in Rahuri. Now at the event, Governor Jishnudev Verma conferred an honorary Doctor of Science degree on Chief Minister Fadnavis in recognition of his contributions to public life and governance. The Chief Minister emphasized the importance of research, innovation and collaboration to drive sustainable growth in the sector. Under the AgriStack initiative, digital identities have been created for around 1.3 crore farmers to improve access to services and data-driven support. The use of AI in agriculture could reduce production costs by up to 25% while increasing crop productivity by nearly 50%. Farmers are also receiving real-time guidance and advisory services through the Mahavistar mobile application. Maharashtra's push towards renewable energy manufacturing continues to gather momentum. Chief Minister Fadnavis performed the groundbreaking ceremony for a major solar manufacturing project by Waaree Energies in Nagpur's Butibori industrial area. Now, the initiative is expected to strengthen India's domestic solar supply chain while positioning Maharashtra as a key hub for clean energy manufacturing and industrial growth. The project involves an investment of around 6,200 crore rupees, and it will have an annual manufacturing capacity of 10 gigawatts each for solar ingots and wafers. The large-scale complex will be spread across 300 acres of land. Nagpur witnessed a moment of pride as Chief Minister Fadnavis unfurled the national flag atop a towering flag mast at the Kasturjand Park. Now, the installation of the 200-foot high flagpole marks a significant addition to the city's landmarks, and it is intended to celebrate national pride and unity. The tricolour itself measures approximately 60 by 40 feet, making it visible from large distance across the area. The initiative was originally conceptualized more than a decade ago before finally it took shape. As the installation as Kasturjand Park is expected to emerge as a major landmark and a point of attraction in Nagpur. Maharashtra's role as India's economic growth engine was highlighted at the IDAC Expo, a major exhibition focused on architecture, design and construction. Deputy CM Eknath Shinde said the state is on track to make a major contribution to the country's economic ambitions. Addressing industry leaders and professionals at the event, he emphasized that Maharashtra's strong investment climate, industrial expansion and world-class infrastructure are driving its leadership in India's growth story. Deputy CM Eknath Shinde said that Maharashtra is expected to contribute nearly $1.5 trillion to India's economy, and this would play a key role in achieving the national target of a $5 trillion economy by 2027. And those were all of the updates we could pack for you in this edition of Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.